This is how I sharpen my square chisel chain. This is a Woodland Pro 30 RCS, skip tooth, 3/8 pitch, 50 gauge, 28-inch chain, 93 drive links. This bar is a steel mount bar. I have the adapter on it. I needed it quick, and Bailey's didn't have the. No one else had the Carlton except Bailey's, and Bailey's didn't have the Carlton in the Husqvarna mount, so I had to get it with the steel mount with the adapter. But this is how I file mine. I'm gonna try to do both sides. Might just do one side, but I'm using a double bevel chisel file, and I just file all mine by hand, and it's not as good as a grinder, but it does a pretty doggone good job for doing it by hand. It's not like round filing; it's way harder. I file mine into the tooth. I know that's how most people do it, and you could do it the other. Like round filing going into the tooth is the easiest, but you just gotta make sure you get your angles right, and get a good 45-degree downward angle and everything. And I like using the double bevel chisel file. I've used and I have triangular files. I don't like those as much. I found I could get top beaks real bad with it, and side beaks. With the double bevel, I don't get any top beaks. I can get my angles to look better, my cutter to look way better with the double bevel. So I just use that. But I'll let y'all watch me how I do it here.